All right. So today we're talking about force. And, well, what is force? Well, force can be described as any action that can change the state of motion of an object. So there are four fundamental forces. There is the strong nuclear force, the weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force, and gravity. So those are the four fundamental forces of nature. And by fundamental, I mean basic. The word fundamental is synonymous with basic. So those are the four forces of nature, and they vary in strength. And they also vary in the distance in which they act. The strongest of the forces is the strong nuclear force. They're strong in its name. So the strong nuclear force holds the atoms together. Hi, Dad. And it can only act over a very small distance just within the atom, but it's strong enough to keep those protons together. Now, protons are all positively charged, so they want to repel each other, but the strong nuclear force keeps the atoms together. So that is the strongest of the four fundamental forces. And the second strongest force is the electromagnetic force. All right? The third strongest force is the weak nuclear force. It's responsible for beta decay. And the weakest is actually gravity. So those are the four fundamental forces of nature. Strong nuclear force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, and gravity.